Hey guys, welcome back to Mediocre Arts and Crafts. I am super excited about my first Christmas in July here on YouTube. I don't have a project to share with you today, but I am going to give you a sneak peek by showing you some of the supplies I'll be using through the month of July to create some projects. As a thank you to my subscribers, I'll be doing a couple tiny giveaways this month. So watch until the end of this video so that you can see what those items are that I'm giving away. The first projects I want to talk about are ones that will use this A Very Merry Christmas collection by Stephen Duncan by Cartabella. This is one of my favorite packs, and I noticed that retailers have it in stock again this year, so I decided to pull this one out and use it, knowing that I can get another pack of it to hoard. So the projects that I'll be doing with this include some postcards that you can just put stamps on and send as Christmas cards. And I'll be doing a advent calendar using this sheet here and this sheet of stickers. I'll be doing some home decor, maybe a shadow box. Also, I'm going to be creating some ornaments, of course. I'll be doing a shaker ornament, but then also some ornaments that you can use just that you can create just from using decorator paper, scissors, and glue. I'll also be doing some cards from cut-apart sheets from different packs, including these. So the first few are from Authentique. I'm just going to cut these down, maybe fussy cut them a little bit, add some simple embellishments so that they're flat, and have some cards ready to go. This is another one from Authentique, and then this one is super cute too. This has cats and puppies and some vintage images, or at least what look like vintage images. And then I have a few sheets of this, so I'm going to see what I can do with these. I don't know if you can get these, but they've been sticking around in my stash for a while now. They are from the Holly and Jolly pack from Pebbles. I'll also be talking to you about my obsession with tags. So I'm going to do 2 tag projects, and one will feature a Maymay Made It stamp set, or probably 2 Maymay Made It stamp sets. And then I have these giant guys that I'm going to do something with. These are the Brutus Monroe Jumbo Media Tags. And I'll also take you through how I take sheets like this, cut apart sheets of tags, and just add a few little items to them to make them a little more fun, give them a tiny bit of dimension, and make them a little more homemade looking. So I am doing some tiny giveaways this month, and you'll hear more about those in my upcoming videos, but I wanted to give you a peek at what those items are. I have these Lawn Fawn winter Christmas stamp sets. So this one is the bear in the sled. It says, "Oh, what fun, Merry Christmas." This is a dragon with a scarf. It says, "Have a very magical holiday season." I also have a Heavy Doodle set that is super cute. It features some of Santa's helpers. I don't know if they are elves or how they identify, but this set is pretty cute, and I have a project that I'll try to get to with using a couple of the sets that are coordinated with this one. And I'm also giving away one of my favorite tools to use for mini albums, and this is the Maymay Made It Action Stamp Set. So this is one where you can stamp a border to where you place your photos. Also has some arrows so that when you have an interactive album, the person who receives it knows whether you need to pull or shake or tilt or lift up. And so I'll be giving that away sometime this month in Christmas in July. Thanks for watching. I hope that you are excited about Christmas in July like I am and will join me for some of my projects. I will have more details on the giveaways throughout the month. Have a great day. I can't sing copyrighted Christmas songs on YouTube, so I will make up some words and sing them like I always do. So first, one of my favorite